Man, would you look at this day? What a perfect day. Hey, thanks for joining me on Eat Your Backyard. If you're into edible landscaping, permaculture, beautiful tropical plants, you're in the right place. I hope you subscribe and watch this video, which is a day in my food forest. Let's have some fun and get some things done. Check out the areca. Edible palm. What you got there?
Sandy chicken. I was taking a dust bath.
What's this one called?
Pretty sure sunshine.
That's sunshine. Wow, look at the beautiful orange feathers. It's really coming in too right here. What just a gentle little bird. You know what I figured out?
What?
That we put out chicken scratch for them. We put some food down on the ground. They love it. Mm-hmm. Want to try it? You just get a little bit of that crumble. If you get it in the Buck's cup, start training them. My dwarf coconut. Starting to do pretty well. Mango production. Yeah, that's perfect. Now, if you shake the cup down towards the ground, they'll know to come up. I've already been training them a little. See? And then just sprinkle some on the ground, just a little bit. There you go, that's enough. Oh. They're in feeding mode. They don't want to be picked up. It's interesting.
No, he just took off some of his you know, the golden sections like fur, not the feathers came off.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Happily feeding on the chicken scratch. You want to let the bunnies out? Stomp, king of the rabbits. How you doing? Total relaxation. I think his coat is growing in even more.
Yeah.
Well, I'll never turn down an opportunity to play stick. Just gotta stretch out first. Nice. He's just relaxing.
Conveniently wet with water drip.
Yeah, he likes to be by where the wood gets wet from the water. Yep, you can just lick it off the side, but it's also a little bit more cool. Can you get him to follow you with that sunflower stalk? No, they're eating. Once they start eating, I guess they're not much concerned with playing with the stick game.
I'm assuming an LP drinking. No, it's something. He's thirsty. See, look, he's putting his pawns. He's in one door.
Really should finish putting the hinges on this chicken coop. Got the door finished. Playing on the inside. By the way, check out our chicken coop build video. Link above. But I've got the galvanized hinges I'm going to put on all set up. Just got to go ahead and do the deed. Sees all those love bugs flying around, wants to eat them all.
I'll catch one for you. Standing it all around.
Good job. So they call them love bugs.